And this one, I want to get this parrot.
You want to get the parrot?
Yes.
So will I.
And I want to get the sticker.
Yeah.
I want to get the sticker one.
Well, we'll see in a minute, won't we? Hi everybody, this is Daddy and
Rexy, and today
what have we got today?
we have Peppa Pig
Well,
series.
we've got lots of little things, haven't we, to open today?
So this one is My Little Pony Friendship.
My Little Pony Friendship,
Yes.
and Masha and the Bear, and Peppa Pig, and Tini Toy Brick Royal Carriage Wagon. So, what are you going to open first?
This one,
This
Peppa
one.
Pig.
Okay, come on then, let's get it open. Stay
Okay.
there, you're not moving.
Okay, yes.
Yes, it. Peel away. Well done. Keep going.
Oh, yes. We found the
Oh,
plastic.
Yeah, keep going.
Oh, yes, we have found the plastic.
Oh, we need to take that plastic off, don't we? There we go.
Ew.
Right, which door are you going to open first?
This one.
Okay, let's go.
1, 2, 3, go.
I'll open the little plastic bags. You just open them.
Okay, let's see. Let's see what we got.
Wow.
It's a curry's
Oh,
bag.
they're like. Oh, it's for the cat thing, isn't it? Pet. Yeah. Go on, keep opening the boxes. It's a pet carry.
And what do you
What have we got in
have?
there? You've got stickers.
These ones. The
Like
colorful.
coloured stickers. That's nice. What
Coloured
else? Come on, you got more things.
Yes, let's see the stickers here. We have the all the characters what you want to get. You can get the bugs.
Here we are. We've got another bag here, Lexi. Look.
And you can stick
What's
it
in this
here.
little bag? Oh, look.
It's a chick.
It's a cute chicky. Hold the chicky.
Chicky. A chicky.
What else have we got in here? Let's try this big one.
Oopsie, guys, I dropped him.
Come on.
I dropped him.
Let's just throw all the rubbish away when we
Okay.
don't
Now
have to worry about it.
yes, open this.
Look at this one. What do you think this is? This is going to be one of the piggies, isn't it? Or the toys.
Okay, let's see the pictures.
It is.
Peppa!
There she is, everybody.
She went after the pets
There,
in
hold that.
school. She goes in school, Dad.
She does go into school, yeah.
Yes, and then she walks after her pets.
Well, she's got that bird, hasn't she? And that's why she's got the carrying case. Oh, look, there's a cloth
Okay,
with the bird on it.
one for him. Okay, let's see. See what we
I
got.
think that's it. That's everything inside there, finished. Comes in a
we don't
really
have
cool
to
box
open
with the
this.
alphabet on it.
Dada, where'd the other one go? Is
Let me
there
open
the
this.
pet food? We got
It's the
someone.
pet food. That doesn't fit in there. So, what have we got? We've got Peppa, we've got some food, we've got a little birdie, and we've got a case for them to go in, and some stickers. Yay!
Yes, so we put stickers on
We'll do that later, yeah,
Yes.
we'll put them on later, yeah.
Yes, so we put it on here. Stick it there. I have to stick them right now.
Now, well, let's open your other presents first. Let's put these things away for now. Put them in there. And
Yes.
We'll do it later, yeah? People want to see the new stuff that you've got,
Yes,
yeah?
but wait, I have to put the stickers.
Okay, shall we open the horsey? Let me just start it for you. So this is My Little Pony.
You got in his cloth.
Oh yeah. My Little Pony. It's the Friendship Magic Collection surprise pack. Let me just start it. Right, you carry on
Okay.
and show everybody which one you've got. You wanted to get Applejack and what was the other one? Applejack and
The character, what do you want?
yeah, you wanted Applejack and another one.
You can collect the naughty ones.
Guys, this is the one we've got. This is the one we've
Dada,
got. Watch.
look, the bouncy things. Dada,
What's that one?
That ones are the cheeky ones.
Who's this?
That one, I don't know. That's not dirty.
Well, it'll be on here, won't it? Oh, it's very small writing. I can't read that. Ooh.
Dada, look,
Oh,
these
no,
ones.
Sapphire Joy. Her name is Sapphire Joy, everybody.
Dada, look, these are ones. They're girls. These are girls,
You can
Dad.
get them ones as well, yeah?
Yes, so this one is the naughty one.
Okay, open this one.
Okay, let's
We've got a
see.
second one, guys. So we've got Sapphire Joy, which is a new one for you. What else have you got? Hey! I don't know what that one's called. It tells you inside the packet. It says Crystal Bow. There we go. Put those two together.
Crystal Bow. They
Okay.
want to play together.
Come and sit down. We've got some more things to open, haven't we? Let's put them over there. And what else have we got here? Let's put these things out of the way. And what else have we got to open? Masha and the Bear. Surprise pack. Let's read what it says. It says collect all 12 Masha figurines.
You can get the kids and one.
Yeah, which
and
one
with
would
the
you like?
ice cream.
Which one would you like?
And this one, the wizard one.
You want? She's hoping for the wizard one, everybody. She's over here, I think. Let's have a look. Okay, so
Yes.
I'll start it and you can finish.
We got 2 of them.
You've already got 2 of these, yeah? Okay,
Yes.
open.
Okay, let's see. Let's see what we got in the Masha thing. Ooh, we can open it tight.
It's got a brown skirt. It's Masha with the musical triangle. There she is. Look, she's playing the musical triangle. Lexi. So she goes ting, ting, ting.
And we got the character.
You got this one. Wow, there we go. That's cool, everybody. Masha and the Bear, TV show that Lexi likes watching on YouTube.
And we got this one.
That's this one there, look.
Dada, look.
Okay.
It says the character, you can get it.
Well, you're supposed to tick them, aren't you? Say, oh, I've got this one. I've got that one. That's really cool, guys. Well done. They're very well recommended, these surprise packs, aren't they?
Yes, let's put Masha
Yeah.
away.
So, what should people do if they're enjoying your videos?
Subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Oh, very good, yeah.
And then let's open the
We've
door.
got one left, haven't we?
Yes,
So,
we
let's have a look. It's called Tiny Toy Brick
Yes.
Royal Carriage Wagon.
Yes, so we sit together on the floor.
It says it's suitable for children 6 to 12.
Yes.
Where is it? How old are you? 6 to 12. How old are you?
I'm
Sit up here.
good.
You're 3.5. You can't
Yes.
say you're good when I say how old you are. When I used to say, how are you? You're supposed to say I'm good. And you used to say, I'm 3. Now when I say how old you are, you say I'm good.
Yeah,
Crazy
open this.
cat. Okay, so this is for older kids. But let's see what it says. People are interested in it.
Yes,
The Royal Carriage Wagon.
So we sit together
Sit
over
up here. Sit up here.
But I want to go up.
But I'm tall, so I need to be up here for the camera. Let's open the box, yeah? So it's a little bit like Lego, guys. The local toy company, toy shop, Tiny Toy.
Yes, we got something in
And
there.
it's in little bags, isn't it? So we're not going to open and fix it now, but we'll show everybody the bags, yeah? You want to show everybody the pretty colours on the camera?
Look at these. And we got all of the sections that we need. Put
We
them
have to
there.
build it like Lego, don't we?
And we got the horsey and the guard. And we got the
And
princess.
Lexi's going to do a video where she builds it with Mummy.
Let's try to grab it there.
Well, Daddy's at work. Look, so there's the instructions of how to build it.
Yes.
So it's very simple. You just follow number 1, number 2, number 3, blah, 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 blah. Yeah? So, it looks nice, doesn't it? And eventually it's going to look like the carriage. And once it's done, there'll be a picture here of the finished carriage when Mummy's done it. So she'll have to add it to the video. A little bit of
What's that
editing.
now?
She's getting good at editing, huh?
What's that love for?
Because to finish this video,
Cheeky.
you have to do the second video to get a
Look
picture
at
of
that
it
cheeky
built.
face.
So then pop it up here as a picture-in-picture of the carriage ready finished. Then she goes on Google, guys. Just make a note in the comments if you think it's a real picture or a Google. Okay, so thank you very much for watching.
If you want to see the video, you might
Press play
press play and subscribe.
and subscribe, yeah? Subscribe and like and comment, yeah?
And then
And share Lexi's awesome videos.
and I can get the one with the triangle.
Yeah, Masha.
Yes,
And what
someone
else?
paint her.
There's Peppa.
Yes, look, someone paint her.
They have painted it, yeah?
Yes, they painted her eyes with green
Mm.
eyes. So guys, you want to put on these stickers now? Okay, I have
Let's just
to.
take one sticker.
Yes, but give me one for me.
Well, I'm going to stick it
But
on
I
you.
want all of them.
They're all yours.
But you have to get them for me.
Yeah, I'm working out how to open them. Aha. Okay, so let's get a green one.
No, I want to. Dada, give
Come
to
here,
me.
come here, come here. Come here, let me give you a nose sticker, like a nose ring, like Mummy's old nose ring.
Show me. Show. Oh wow, you're beautiful.
Yeah, nose ring.
Gorgeous.
Say bye-bye, everybody.
Okay, bye-bye now.
Mama, I don't like to. I want to take it off.
We will in a minute.
Yeah.
Bye-bye, everybody. Thank you for
Bye.
watching.
Subscribe to my YouTube channel.
So here we go. Let's build the Lego. The first box is the one with not the one with this. Show me. Where are the boxes now? Where's the other one?
The other one is here, Mom. Here, I got it there.
Well done. Well done. That's fine. Let's put it back there. Okay. Here, this.
Mom.
Yeah, put it. No, that's correct. Okay, on the other side. No, here. No, not next to each other. Opposite. Can you take that off, please?
Yes, Mom. I can take it off.
Okay. Put it here.
Mom, what's wrong?
Put it here. This side. Come on. There's nothing wrong. We just need to put them back again. Here.
Mom, here.
Here, baby. That's the instruction.
And the other pink.
On the other side also.
Mama, what's one again here?
And then one here. Come on. One here. Nope, it's the other way around. This has to stick out here.
I put her
Can you
curry
please hold
there.
that? Can you please hold it? Okay.
Mama, I put her courage in there.
Okay, the other side. No, this is wrong. Here, on the side, here. Okay, do the other one. Okay. Here. Press. Press until it clicked. Yay, well done. Now, let's put this here. Come on, press. Oopsie. All right. Done.
I can't.
Let me. Just like this, baby.
And then you can put your carriage in there. When you drive in, you can connect it there.
Okay, now put this here. Oops.
Okay.
Done.
Done. I'm done with the
Sorry?
royalty crown.
There's the queen inside. And then you can also do the... So let's open it slowly. There. That's cute, isn't it?
When she gets cold, she has a catching cold. When she has a cat's cold, she has a catching cold. When she has a cat's cold, she needs, so the guy walks after the princess.
Yeah.
Yeah.